Yeah, hi guys. Good evening. Hope we are discussing about this fragments, right? So yesterday we done basic fragment. So on top of that, I'm creating a new fragment. So for that fragment here, now I'm creating one new project. So that is on the name of so means on fragments there is advanced views that we are creating here. So for that I'm selecting here bottom views, bottom navigation activity. So this is the one I'm selecting here. So now I'll create here on a name also, that is I'll write that is bottom. So now I click on the finish. So once I click on finish, now we will see here what happens here. Once the project has created, then we will run that project and we will discuss on the next steps on that. So just let load this project. So here in this, what happens, bottom bottom of the page, the menu will be created. So that menu also has created with fragments only. So to handle that menu, the fragments as required. That's the reason. Just we are discussing about this as with the fragments example. So like now we will see here, once this has created here, now we can able to see that how that is creating here. Just like it is creating here. Now, once it is created, we will see that. Just a minute. Once this project has created, then we will see. It is created here. Now we will run. So here, see, automatically the other are created like here. So the menus will be created here for that. So here, So these all are the extra fragments also created here now. So based on these fragments only, that three menus, like here in a bottom maximum we can create five menus, but default it has created three menus. So like how to add one more menu into this menu also, that also we will add here, and we will see that here. Just it is loading here now. I'm running this application. We will see here once it is run. So meanwhile, I'll look in the Visor. So Visor is also running here now. Just note it will take 1 to 2 minutes to run this. Once it is run, we will see that output next. Just wait for a minute. So once it is done, here we will see here. Apart from that, other menus also created. Like that is see here the other menu is the navigation, and the other option two in resources. Two more folders are created. One is the menu, and other is the navigation. So in the menu, it will define like how many menus you want. So that means that is defined here. And here the navigation. So which one is which listener has to that. So that navigation could be here. Like listener will be handled here in the navigation. So these are the three here. So in this, whatever the menus it is there, so that menus can be defined here. So that menus can be here. Now if you see here, so uh, that is the home, dashboard, and notification. So there are three tabs it is created. So those three tabs are here. So that is here home this. For this, here it is navigation. So that navigation can be written here in this. So here this fragment one, home, dashboard, and this. So for these fragments, so from here it is declaring like means based on the position. So the same positions can be applied on the there like. So that we will define that will be defined automatically here. So even if you want to add one more menu here, like you can add, but first we will see this output. Then after that we will add so that we will get a clarity. Okay. So initially it was like this, and we added like that. We can have some clarity on that. Yeah, guys, still it is running. So still it is running. Wait, we will wait and we will see a few more minutes. Yeah, it is almost full. So I think it is launching. Just a moment. Here it is launched. Just a minute. Just reconnecting the files. See here there are three parts. One is the home dashboard. So this is the home fragment, dashboard fragment, and notification fragment, right? Like this. So now here, just we can observe the code and then we'll go back here. So first of all, like we will start from the XML. So in a XML, as well, it is a regular, that is a constraint layout. So within this constraint layout, so there will be, it's created one option, it is created as that is the bottom navigation view. So this bottom navigation view will be placed on the this align parent left parent, like bottom parent. So bottom parent, this is the bottom parent. It is created here, right? So right of this, like it is created here. Then remaining this portion is created with the fragment. This is the fragment, right? So for that, now here the main activity. So in the main activity, what we will call. So in a main activity, so this is here. Now here, this is the main activity. So in the main activity, this is similar. Main activity extend this. And after that here on create view. So here we are, it is including that, it is included that fragment view. So that fragment view has included here. So that is the bottom navigation. We just find out here. So whatever the IDs here we are mapping, so those IDs here, it is added here, that's it. So once this IDs is added here, the next step is the common. This is normal, this is like done. After that here now, so here is the fragment here. Now from here, see here, we just now I already shown that here that fragments has created. So total 3 fragments has created here. Now that fragments menus is added here. So now here we will create one more fragment here. So just clicking here. So say here I'm adding that fragment one. So just for our understandable, like it will be notification only, but ID I'll change as a one. So because same ID it cannot accept. So that's the reason just I have changed it as a one. So now this is added. So once we added here, we have to add that in the navigation as well. So in a navigation, see here in a navigation, I want to add one more. So here just I'll copy this, means I'm creating one new fragment. So that fragment here, I'm adding that, that is ID, whatever the ID we have given that. So here now, first of all, I'll create one new fragment. So that empty fragment, I'll create this blank fragment. Like yesterday, what we created the fragment, similar, I'm creating here the blank fragment. So here, that is the blank fragment. Directly, I'm creating the blank fragment. So once we created the blank fragment, now here we will update that blank fragment here. So here right now, we have the last section. So this is the fragment. It is calling the same fragment. But here now, I supposed to call the new fragment that whatever we created, that is the blank fragment, right? So that blank fragment, I'm calling here that. So that is the blank. So fragment. What is the name it is created here? That we will have to blank fragment. There is no underscore. So this name we will add here in here. So that is here. It is the blank fragment we added here, right? So the fragment has created here. Now we created here, we added menu, here we added that. Then after that in main activity, we supposed to add here this. So here we have to add that ID so that it will be work like comma and we will add that ID. That's it. So then it will come listener also. Right. Similar here, the fragments as created here, the actual fragment here, these all are created in MVC architecture. So that MVC architecture we'll discuss later so that there you will get a clarity. But as of now, like how we use this parameter, like similar, you can use even if you want to use those fragments also normal fragment, like you can use the our regular process, you can use that. So here, these all are not required, right? So the blank fragment yesterday we created, this is not required here. So this companion object also not required for us. Like this, you can go and you can use the fragment. Right, if you want like that, you can use that fragment. So this fragment class is required, but this is not required. Right, this we have to remove. And this companion object we have to remove. So that, so like this we have to handle it. Right. So even here also, if you want, you can remove that directly, whatever the straightforward platform, you can use that. See here, now I'm running this. Now the another fragment view is added or not, that we will see here now. And now it is launched, just checking this. So now we can see this here. The total 4 menus is created, but here whenever it is a more than one, so which is an active, so that only that text we can able to see that menu name. Otherwise we cannot see that. So this is the, so this is about the bottom navigation. So next we will discuss on the next things in next.